So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand sound, video and game controllers until we find Realtek or audio. You want to right click on it and then click on properties. Then you want to go to the driver tab. You want to check your driver date. So my last driver was back in 2019. This is obviously not the newest one. So I'm going to click on update driver and then search automatically for drivers. Once you've installed that, you can close out of this and this as well. Let's right click on Realtek or audio again and then go to properties and then go to driver. You want to check if your driver date has changed. If it hasn't, then we're going to go with the second method. For the second method, you want to go to Google and then type in Realtek audio driver Windows 11. Search for it. We're going to go to the Realtek website, this one right here. And now once we're here, we're going to scroll down. We're going to get this one, 64-bit Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and Windows 10. This will also work for Windows 11 as well. As you can see, the latest driver was in 2024 at the time of this recording, so this is the correct one. You want to click on the download button, scroll down, agree to the terms, and then click on download this file. You want to fill in the captcha, I'm not a robot. Choose your download location, and it's now going to start downloading for you. Now once the installer has been downloaded, you could just install it to your system, and then that's how you do it.